Now we will look at some word problems on quadratic equations. A rocket is launched from the top of a cliff which is 80 feet above the sea. This height of the cliff is given as 80 feet. A rocket is launched from here. It follows the trajectory. It comes down somewhere over here. The height of the rocket above the sea seconds after it was launched is given in by ht. Ht is given as the height of the rocket after t seconds. How long after the rocket was launched will it be 30 feet above the sea? It means the height ht is given as 30 feet. For the a part, ht is given as 30 feet, and the same ht is given by the formula minus 16t square plus 120t plus 80. 30 and 80 being constants can be operated together, so this ht gets converted to minus 16t square plus 120t. I can shift this 30 on the other side and I'll have 80 minus 30 equals 0. This implies minus 16t square plus 120t plus 80 minus 30 is 50 equals 0. 16, 120, 50. So I can divide the whole equation by 2, dividing throughout by 2. It gives you 16 over 2 is minus 80 square. 120 over 2 gives you 60t. 25 over 2 gives you 25 equals 0. Now this is the new equation for you. If I compare the given equation with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, I have the value of a as minus 8, the value of b is 60, and the value of c is 25. This helps you to calculate t using the formula method, that is given by minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So t equals minus 60 plus minus under the root of 3600. 60 square is 3600 minus 4. A is minus 8 and c is 25 over 2 times a is minus 8. So I have minus 60 plus minus under the root of 3600 minus 4 times 25, 100 times 8, 800, minus into minus is plus 800 over minus 16 equals minus 60 plus minus, if I add them, I have under the root of 0, 0, 8 and 6, 14, 4, balance 1, 4400 over minus 16. If I calculate these values, so there are two values, one with the positive sign, one with the negative sign, and those values will be, can obtain it on the calculator. Minus 60, we have minus 60, the values of t as minus 60 plus minus under the root of 4400 over minus 16. So if I calculate this value, you have 4400 square root of 4.00 is 66.33. So it's minus 60 plus 66.33 over minus 16. So you have plus minus both, so you have two values. First value is minus 60 plus 66.33 over minus 16, so this value comes out to be 6.33 over minus 16, so the value is negative, but the time cannot be negative, so you have to reject this value. This value is rejected because of negative value of t. So the next value of t2 is minus 60 minus 66.33 over 2a is minus 16, so minus 126.33 over minus 16, so 126, so you have 126.33 divided by 16 and is equal to 7.89. This value comes out to be 7.89 seconds. So after 7.89 seconds, the rocket will reach the height of 30 feet. And the next part of the question says, for the B part, when the rocket will reach the ground. In that case, the height is given as 0. We'll look at that part B also. For the B part, the height itself is given as 0. So if I look at the equation, which is minus 16t square plus 120t plus 80 is given as 0. This value is given as 0. So 16, 120, 80. So I can divide it by 4 throughout, dividing both the sides by 4. So this is 4 minus 4t square plus 30t plus 4 times 2, 20. Still it seems to be getting divided by 2. So or in other words, I can say just divide the given equation by 8. We can just divide the given equation by 8. So you have minus 2t square plus 15t plus 10 equals 0. Again, comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. The value of a is minus 2, the value of b is 15, the value of c is 10. So t is given by the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. I'll apply the formula here. B is 15, so minus 15 plus minus under the root of b square is 15 square minus 4, a is minus 2, c is 10 over 2 times minus 2. So this value is minus 15 plus minus under the root of 225, 4 times 2, 8 times 80 plus 80 divided by minus 4. So minus 15 plus minus under the root of, this is 5, 2, 8, 10, 0, 305 over minus 4. So if I look at the first value of t1, that is minus 15 plus root 305 over minus 4, and this value, if I look at under root of 305, under root of 305, this value is 17.46. 17.46. So minus 15 plus 17.46 over minus 4. So this value being negative is rejected because time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative, so the second value of t, that is t2, is minus 15 minus under root of 305 over minus 4 is minus 15 minus 17.46 over minus 4, that is minus 0.467512, balance 1, minus 32 over minus 4. So 32.46 divided by 4, so this value is 8.115. So it's 8.115 seconds. So after 8 seconds the rocket will reach the ground.